Hello, this is me Dawarinji Tamang from Let Self YouTube channel and you are watching HTML series. This is my fifth video on HTML. In this video, I am going to explain you about paragraph tag. So what is paragraph tag? Means it is a container tag which is used to create a paragraph in a web pages. If you are confused about container tag, so let me explain you. That means any tag with opening and closing tags are known as a container tag. So paragraph tag has got opening tag as well as closing tag. So that is why they are called a container tag. It is used to create a paragraph. Now, using paragraphs attributes, a paragraph can be aligned to the left, right, or in the center. So in order to align the paragraph into center or into left or into right, we need to use a paragraph attributes. But the default paragraph is aligned to the left, and our syntax will be paragraph tag, then write a paragraph text and closing paragraph tag. So this is our syntax. This paragraph tag, as you know that while we are writing an essay, we need to divide those lines into different paragraphs. There may be 3 paragraphs, there may be 4 paragraphs. So likewise, in HTML, in order to divide those lines into paragraph, we need to use a paragraph tag. And paragraph tag is to break the paragraphs. It insert a blank lines before and after a paragraph. Now let's see it practically. So I have designed a template to show you the examples of how to write paragraph tag in HTML. So here, this is my heading tag. So it is aligned to the center. So how can we write these things? First of all, let's open notepad and start coding like this. This is a heading, so I've written a head h1, align, it is centered, and just save it. I've saved this as a paragraph tag.html. So then you can run in any browsers. So let's say it whether it gives the result or not. Now look out the examples. It gives the same things. If it gives the result, same result. So this is how we can design in a HTML. But here I haven't used paragraph tag. I have given a heading. This one is heading, so I have given a heading tag, and it is all aligned to the center. And I have written date just below the heading tag, and so to bring this date into a right corner, we need to use a right align as a right. So let's convert that into a paragraph tag, or use paragraph tag over here and align to the right over here. So just save it and just run it in a Google Chrome. So in this way I brought these two. Now I have to bring a salutation over here. So in order to write salutation, so I will start with paragraph tag and end with the paragraph closing tag. This one is opening paragraph tag and this one is closing tag. So I've given a BR tag over here because after 2 the line must be break. So after district education officer a line must break, so I used a BR tag, and I'll save it again. I'll refresh the page. So here it comes the salutation too. In this way you have understood these things. Let's check it now how to write a subject. Now we have completed writing a salutation to. Now we have remind to write this subject. So in order to write a subject, just below the tag I'll use a paragraph tag and write subject as a, what will be the subject? Subject may be anything, just you can write as your wish. Subject may be notice, and just close a paragraph tag. So after using paragraph tag, so I told you that this paragraph tag breakdowns a lines and creates a new line, or insert a new line in between two paragraphs. So I'll save it and I'll run in a Chrome. So in this way a subject comes over here, but in subject must be bold and underline. So I'll use a bold tag, a B tag, to make this subject a bold one. I'll save it and just refresh it over here. Now it becomes quite bold. Again we need to have underline over that, so we use underline tag, that is U, and I'll save it and I'll just run it. So underlines to appears over here. Now we need to write a body. Just I'll copy this and I'll paste over. Now I've started paragraph tag here and I've completed it paragraph tag over here. I've closed this paragraph tag over here, and just after writing short I've used a BR tag to break down the lines, and every after lines I've used a BR tag to break down the lines. So I haven't used any attributes over here, align left, right, or anything, because our default align is left. So I'll save it and I'll refresh over here. I haven't closed the BR tag, sorry. Now lastly, Ctrl+ save. Now just run it. And refresh this. So this paragraph is also created. Now we need to design these things. So in order to design, we use a paragraph tag. This is one paragraph. So we use a paragraph tag and we use BR tag over here to give a design. Just I will copy from here without taking any more time. I'll just save it, but I've given a align as a left over here, and I've used a BR tag over here, a 4 times BR tag. This 4 times, if we use a BR tag 4 times, it says a message, or it gives a message to the browser that there must be a gap of 4 lines in between these two texts. So, and again I've used beer tag over here. So just I'll save it and I'll run this. So in this way, I've shown you the examples. I've done it practically. Hope you have understood about the paragraph tag. If you have got any queries, please comment me in the comment box. If you like my videos, please hit a like button, share it with your friends, and I too request you to subscribe my channels and hit a bell icon. Daily I'm uploading a new videos regarding HTML series, PHP, HTML series and PHP series, and many more regarding tips and tricks of mobiles and computer. Lastly, I would like to say thank to all the viewers who have viewed my videos, managing a valuable time from your busy life. Once more, I would like to thank you all. Thank you so much.